tonight. Grabe, it still feels so surreal to be here, standing in front of you, not as a candidate anymore, but rather a host for tonight. So just a few years ago, guys, I was one of the Lakhan hopefuls, and now I have the honor to guide all of you through this night of celebration, culture, and Silangaw pride. This truly is a full circle moment for me, guys. But enough of me, because I'm very sure that all of you are excited as well as our candidates. But before that, let me first have some energy check. I know that you're all looking forward to meeting our 16 handsome gentlemen tonight. But before that, can I hear your loud cheers and support for our Lakhan candidates? Okay lang yan? Sige, once I call out your barangay, please, tagain niyo po sa inyo pinakamatunog-tunog na syagit kag suporta. Diin ang mga supporters coming from Barangay Mambula! Grabe, pasabog agad. How about from Barangay Dos? From Barangay Gingbalaon? Mapapirdi ayhan ang mga taga-Barangay Hawayan? How about from Barangay Rizal? Barangay Uno? Ayan. Barangay 4. How about from Barangay Ilopez? Well, grabe. Ito ka na ang motiyaw. How about from Barangay Patag? And of course, without biases aside, my very own Barangay Ginhalanan! Ayan. How about from Barangay 5? Hello, good evening. From Kapitan Ramon. Barangay 3. Barangay Bagte. How about from Barangay Lantan? And definitely not the least from Barangay Balarin. Move along as we move along. Sige, ayan. So of course, this event would not be made possible without the expertise of these people who will guide and help us determine the next winner for the title. So allow me to present to you our board of judges. Our first judge, he graduated at University of St. LaSalle from College of Nursing. He is already a registered nurse in the Philippines since 2010, worked as a charge nurse in San Diego, California, United States of America, and a nurse turned entrepreneur and owner of Fisher's Pond Seafood and Grill. Let's give a big round of applause for our first judge, Mr. Luigi Vergara Timbas. Our second judge is a registered mechanical and a proud graduate of TUPV with a degree in Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering. She is a beauty queen, crowned Miss TUPV 2024. Linay Sang Barangay, Kapitan Ramon 2018. And most recently, our Linay Sang Silay 2024, where she represented Silay City in Linay San Negros 2025. And she is currently working as an administrative assistant. Let's give it up for our Linay Sang Silay, Engineer Mia Lynn Baldonado. And our last judge, she graduated as cum laude at John D. Lacson College's Foundation, Bacolod, with a degree of Bachelor of Science in hotel and restaurant management, major in cruise ship services. She is John V. Lacson's Model Student 2016. She is the Halaran Queen 2016, Linay San Silay 2017, Linay San Negros 2018 finalist. The Scholar ng Bayan Silay City Chapter President for the year 2019, Mutya ng Luxea Sports 2019, Miss John B. Lacson Foundation Maritime University System 2019, and she is now a commissioned officer of the Philippine Coast Guard and holds the position of being the budget officer of Philippine Coast Guard Region 6 in Coast Guard District Western Visayas. Silay City, let's give a big round of applause for the chairman of the Board of Judges, Philippine Coast Guard Lieutenant Junior Grade Roquelin Reyes Ochico. Ayan, now that we have introduced to you our Board of Judges, allow me this time to read the criteria for judging for our Best in Lawaan costume. Our Best in Lawaan costume, creativity and workmanship, suitability of the attire, manner and carriage on stage, and overall impact. Best in Lawaan costume consists of 10 points. Ayan, so medyo nagsastruggle ako sa microphone, but anyhow, tonight we artistry and heritage. And what better way to begin than with an extraordinary display. Our candidates now present the Lawaan costume, a bold and meaningful representation of strength, courage, and resilience. Lawaan, being the lover of Princess Kansilay, is a warrior and leader of the young men of the village. Each ensemble tonight is not just a visual statement, it is a symbol of the challenges our Lakan candidates have overcome and the values they uphold. Inspired by the natural strength and might of Lawaan, these pieces reflect the enduring spirits of the Silaynon youth. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you our 16 Lakan candidates in their Lawaan costume.
Lakan sa Barangay 3!
Guillermo Guillermo, 20 años, lakas sa Barangay Lopez!
Ako si Roston Flores, 18, lakan sa 4!
John Wilson Serol, 21, lakan sa Ginhalara!
Ako, si John Matthew S. Rizzo, 18, lakan sa Barangay 5!
Ako, si Romeo Brabanco, 19 años, Barangay Hawayan!
Enrico Lingaya, 20 años, Lakan, sa Barangay Kapitan Ramon!
Mayong gabi, ako si Arvie Hamini Laurente, 22 anyos, Lakan, sa Barangay Gimbalon!
Ako si Joshua Gagi, Lakan sa Barangay Batak!
Leonard A. Remdes, 21 años, Lakan sa Barangay Langtan.
Ako si Romeo Eminea, 20 años, Lakan, sa Barangay Rizal!
Ako si Romel Martinez, 21 años, Lakan sa Barangay Balari.
Mayong gabi sila yun! Ako si Oliver J. Tagolong, 19 anyos, Lakan, sa Barangay Bampuna!
Pero kumpan, 20, Lakan, sa Barangay Bate!
Ako si Marcangay Gamboa, 19 años, Lakan sa Barangay Uno.
not only in heritage, but also in spirit. So can we also please give a big round of applause to our talented designers na nagbulig at nag-obra sa inyong mga creation. Grabe naman kami. Can we also give a big round of applause to our candidates? Alright, so once again, thank you so much to our 16 candidates. You may now proceed backstage for our next segment. Grabe, can we please